Hey, I'm Tytus.
And I'm LiWen.
From Dance Insanity. And today we're going to be doing a Cucaracha with a side step. So why is this so important, LiWen?
Because having good turnout and good hip action makes for an awesome Latin dancer. And if that's what you want to be, then you better be paying attention in this tutorial.
So I guess they better go to the dance studio to practice this, huh?
No, you can practice this anytime.
How is it that I'm not talking about where they're going to practice? It turned out to be the time they're going to practice. How did that happen? The point is, you can practice this at home or at work or at the gym. There's no need to go to a dance studio, but sooner or later you're going to go to that dance studio and you're going to blow everybody away with how good you dance. Because you practice with us. Everything's energy. You can use our energy. So we're going to show you the footwork. Also, how to connect those feet to your hips and overall leg action to get more hip action. Let's get started. A little disclaimer, when it comes to doing cucarachas, there are many different versions. We're going to show you our favorite. We're going to start off with cucaracha. The weight will be on the left foot. You're going to step to the side onto the right, replace to the left, close the right foot, switch the weight onto the right foot. Then it's going to go side left, replace back to the right, close the left foot, switch the weight. Now it's going to go side right, close the left foot, and then side right again. From here we start everything again on the opposite side. Go ahead and cucaracha with the left foot to the side, replace to the right, close the left foot, switch the weight. Now we're going to go side on the right, replace the left, close the right foot, switch to the right foot. Then we have side left, close the right, side left. Hey, we're ready to go back to the very start. Let's make sure we got our basic timing. It's going to go 4-1. Side on 2, replace 3, close 4, switch the weight 1. And then side on 2, replace 3, close on 4, switch 1. And we have side on 2, close on 3, side 4, hold 1. And then we go 2 and 3, close it on 4, but then switch on 1. And then we have side 2, replace 3, close the right foot 4, switch 1. And then it goes 2 and close it 3 and side 4, hold 1.
So now we're going to see how we can relate the leg action to your hip action. But before we do the actual steps, Tytus, can you just take this position right here? Yeah. So we're going to do a little exercise, yeah? So you're going to drop your heel down. There you go. And then lift it up. Drop it down. Lift it up. Do you see how his hip is actually magically moving because of the way he's lowering and lifting that heel? There you go. So you're actually getting some hip action through the usage of the legs. Another thing we're going to do is you're going to pivot your heel to disappear.
This one?
This way. There you go. Yeah. So keep your weight on the leg.
Okay.
There you go. And then rotate your heel forward.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah, and do pivot it back again.
Okay.
Without shifting weight.
Oh, oops.
Yep, and then pivot, rotate your inner thigh forward. Okay. So you notice as he rotates his heel forward towards you and is shining his inner thigh towards you, his hip is rotating back. So do that again. Do that.
On the left leg, okay.
Yeah, on the left leg. There you go. Rotate your... Yeah, and you can do a mirror image to what he's doing right now. And just feel the connection of your turn out, which means your heel forward, with the rotation of your hip back. Yeah, and the more you press your heel high, away from the floor, the more you can lift that hip up. So that's a fundamental action. So let's do it on the other foot, actually. Yeah,
okay.
So shift over to this leg.
All right, so this sort of straight?
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, and then lift your heel up, let the hip rise, and drop it down, and lift it, and drop it, and lift, and drop it like it's hot, and lift it like it's hotter. There you go, and then now do the rotate in and out with the foot. There you go, yeah. And so work this with him, and then do the other way. There you go, and out, right? And feel the connection of the turn out of the leg with the rotation of the hip back. So heel forward, hip back. feel that oppositional movement. Now you got that? Okay, now we're gonna incorporate this movement into our footwork. So, guys, we're gonna go to Cucaracha.
Okay.
Side, all right? So do it in mirror image to him. And Cucaracha to the side. As he works to the side, notice how he's gonna rotate the free inner thigh forward. Then he does his rotation and close and switch the weight, getting that bow action between the knees. Then Cucaracha to the other side, working that free heel forward and replace, working the other free heel forward and bring the leg to close and switch the weight. There you go, and go into side step. Side, again, working inner thigh, hip back, rotate through and close, and another side step. Nice, now Cucaracha, back towards me. And replace onto the other foot, bring the leg to close and switch the weight. And to the side, keep working your inner thigh forward. There you go, and bring it to close and switch. Then coming back, side step, side free foot, forward, close, and back to the side.
We're gonna do it halftime first. That way it's gonna be really easy to absorb the technique. And then of course we'll speed it up in a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
2, 3, 4, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
And now for regular timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Hope you had fun working your legs and hip action with us with those sexy cucarachas.
And if you really love working your rumba fundamental techniques, you should check out my course called Rumba Essentials, which not only shows you a lot about rumba, but a lot of philosophies about being a Latin dancer and how to really get advanced. So check it out. Link is in the description below, or you can just click right there.
Did you find a hip action easy? Did you find a turnout easy or hard? Leave us a comment below. Let us know.
Tytus and LiWen signing off, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Adios!
Goodbye.